Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and today I'm coming to you with a room tour. And if you've been following my videos for any amount of time and happen to have seen the apartment tour video that I posted with my cousin, that was about 7-ish months ago. Yes, we were planning to move together somewhere in DFW area. But clearly I'm still at home, so there was a little bit of a change of plans there. But it's okay. For the time being, this has been good, and I'm saving a lot of money, so, yeah, I decided this is probably the last time I'm going to make many changes to this room, hopefully. So, yeah, I thought I would show you around, because a lot has changed since the last time I did a tour with this room, and I'm pleased with how it looks right now. So, let's just get into it. Thought I would like sort of throw in some favorites throughout this. So first I want to talk about these headphones. They're the Sony Quiet Comfort 35, I think Series 2 is the official full name, but they're just over-ear headphones. But yeah, I've been like absolutely loving these, and they look really cool, and I normally keep them right here unless I'm charging them, then I charge them over by my computer. But yeah, these have been like one of my favorite purchases recently, so great quality, and they look really cool, like I said.
I said I know just what we can do. We can go down to the Goodwill, buy a bunch of speakers, set them up in the parking lot. We don't have to keep them, have a real big party, just two people singing all praise at the Goodwill steeple, singing all praise, singing all praise at the Goodwill steeple, singing all praise.
Okay, so I talked about this in my favorites video, which is also the last video that I posted like 3 months ago. But it's this candlestick holder plus the candlestick. This is from Hay, as are these two bins. I guess containers, plastic containers, I don't know what you call them, egg crate things. Anyway, really like those crates, and this like goes really nicely with it, so thought I would highlight these items. And then I also have these two candles. Obviously I'm not gonna light them because they would ruin them, but I got these on Etsy. If I remember, I will link the shop because I don't remember what it's called right now, but yeah, you can find these on Etsy. Okay, so there's a few things in this area that I kind of want to talk about. First is this lamp, and I'm just gonna hold it like right here because it's plugged in. But literally got this thing for like $8 at IKEA, like maybe 2015 or something. And now people are literally selling them for like $100, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, I just wanted to highlight that I do own one of these, and I did not pay $100 for it. But I also got one of these Devoom Dito speakers, I think is what it's called. I just got the white one because I thought it looked nice and clean, and a lot of times I just use the clock part. The speaker's really good too, but especially lately I've been using those headphones, but I still do really like this speaker. It's a good quality one, and it has like the really satisfying, the satisfying keys. You can click them. Well, there's the volume, but yeah. And then finally I thought I would talk about this whole little shelf unit right here. I literally got this at IKEA, but I really like how it looks. And then this little stand right here was actually black, and it's like a plant stand, but I was not keeping a plant on it anymore, so I spray painted it white so it would match this. And in general there's like a white shelf back here too, so I felt like I wanted to lighten the space up, especially because I have all the dark furniture in the rest of the room. This little setup real fast. I got this keyboard. It's a Logitech one. I don't remember the full name, but it's the light pink one. It doesn't perfectly match the iPad case, but whatever, it's close enough. But I also got this little setup here from Amazon. And then also, so this table underneath here is really ugly, and it's got like stains all over it. But I covered it with this little, I don't know if it's like a scarf or something, but from Glossier, and it makes this cute little setup over here, and this random divot between the wall and my dresser.